Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mo and I'm back again with another video. It's currently Saturday. Let me show y'all. Saturday, April 12th, 2025, 11 a.m. That's weird. Okay. Let's get into this video. This is gonna be a trade recap of the week. This was a really bad week for me. This was a rough week in the markets. It was a rough week. We lost like 1,600, right? Let me see. We lost a lot this week in the market. And those trades could have been avoided. This was my first week trying out the new strategy also. So look at that. We lost 1,600. Jeez. That's a lot. Anyways, we took a trade on Monday and then we took a trade on Thursday and we ended up losing both. Yeah, this is my first week trying out the new strategy. That's what I'm gonna do this weekend. Just back test the strategy, implement new things in there that I've been researching about. So I'm gonna implement that in there, and we'll see next week what happens. Right? Okay, let's get into it. I have not seen the market since yesterday. I didn't trade Friday. It's Saturday. I didn't trade Friday, so we'll see what the market did. This is crazy. Let's go to daily, bro. Y'all see this? Gold was just two candles to go to the downside, two candles to break back up, and now gold is pushing. Gold is still at all-time highs, y'all. Look at this. This is ridiculous. When we had that shift last week, I'm thinking to myself, okay, cool. We're finally gonna start heading to the downside, break these lows right here. But look at that. Look at this. 3,000. That's crazy. Okay, that's on the daily. Actually, let's go on the weekly. There you go, weekly. Let's see silver. Okay, I had a big pullback. Most likely gonna retest this order block and continue down to the downside, or it could push to the upside. I don't know. Time is fractal, so whatever happens on low time frame happens on a higher time frame. So this is my target for the week. Obviously, we never made it, but I had lower targets as well. Let's see the daily. Yeah. So, all right, cool. Nasdaq big pullback this week. Daily shifted structure. Okay. This is the lower high, lower low, broke above, higher high, higher low. So yeah. Okay, let's see US 30. Yeah, same thing as Nasdaq. Yeah, let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD. Oh man, beautiful push. It's going on daily. Beautiful push. Okay. Euro USD. I wasn't really watching Euro USD this week, but big push to the upside. Okay, cool. Understandable. And this is the DXY. This is the dollar index. So the dollar is weak right now, which means gold is bullish. Everything else is bullish. Dollar is getting weaker. Uh, it finally had that big push that I was like, look, it's been here for, let's see how many days it is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days doing this shenanigan right here. And then finally sold. So, yeah. And then Bitcoin still doing this shenanigans. Oh, I had a big push this week. I'm looking for Bitcoin to pull back to this area of interest right here to sell to buy from. So that's how I put my alarm here. Look, Bitcoin. I buy to buy at area of interest. So if it comes here, then I'm looking to buy. Looks like we got a few more weeks of that shenanigan before it comes here. Anyways, let's get into the charts, right? So coming to the market this week on gold, I'm looking to sell. I'm not looking to buy. Why would I be looking to buy? It doesn't make sense. Replay. Cool. Let's go here. Coming into Monday. I'm looking to sell, right? So we go to a lower time frame. Well, actually, I was looking to sell overall, but price needs to have a retracement, which let me show you. Like it had price needs to have a retracement to the upside, fill these gaps right here before continuing to the downside. Obviously, price didn't respect none of this shenanigans in here, but let's get straight into it. So go back. Where's Monday at? Right here. All right, cool. So coming into the market, we are bearish on a higher time frame. Lower time frame, we are still bearish because we haven't broken above here. But as you guys know, I come to the market at around 550-ish. Come to the market, it's still bearish because it has not closed above here. 3, 4, 5. Cool. Go down to a lower time frame. Now, think about it. Higher time frame, I'm looking to sell. Lower time frame now, we got this big push on 15-minute and the 30-minute. 1 hour still has not shifted structure. So it's okay. What actually 1 hour? Yeah, 1 hour has It's so tight, like you can't even see it. See that? Barely broken up. So I'm looking to buy on a lower time frame, but higher time frame I'm looking to sell. Now I come to the market, I found a good order block to use on a 5 minute, price pushes from there. Cool, waited for the retest, retested it, just didn't give me that interesting that I was looking for in a 1 minute. So I didn't take the trade. Price eventually made another order block. Show you. I was like on 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. So I was like, okay, pushing to the upside. I need a retest of it to take this trade. Uh this is where I got impatient. That was the video that I was talking about patience. But I got very impatient. I didn't wait and took the trade. I literally, as soon as I took the trade, price for this big push to the downside and stopped me out like immediately. Like this is ridiculous. And I was mad at myself, right? So I was so I was mad at myself. Then I was like, okay, I'm done with gold. So I went on Nasdaq, and then there was a trade on Nasdaq loading as well. So waited patiently for this on Nasdaq. Price gave the push that I wanted. I was looking to buy. Immediately took it. Stop loss. I'm like, okay, whatever. I was mad at myself. And that was it. Silver, there was a setup on silver as well, but I just was not paying attention because I had already taken 2 losses and I was done for the day. Like after this Nasdaq trade right here, I just got off the charts. I didn't care about it no more. There's no point because I'm not gonna take another trade to revenge trade and lose. But then when you come to the market at the end of the day, right? And I was replaying everything back and trying to say, okay, where did I mess up at? What could I have done better? My higher time frame bias was correct. I was looking to sell. I should have been looking to sell, right? I don't know why I decided to look to the upside. It is what it is, right? But as you can tell, price made an order block on a 5 minute. Pull back to it beautifully. Now you go down to the 1 minute. You just wait for the shift of structure, which price was doing this shenanigan. Eventually pushed to the upside, broke down, big break, right? There's a head and shoulders pattern here. Boom, boom, broke the head and shoulders pattern. So guess what it's gonna do now? It's gonna come back, retest it, the neckline, which it did right here. And then as well as when it broke down, it made an order block. So I'm now okay, cool. Price doesn't fair value gap right here. Price will come back and retest this fair value gap. Give me an entry signal. Now we need a break below here. Realistically, I could take it right there, but if you're going a 3 minute, like this is just phenomenal price action right here. So anyways, on the 1 minute, price did that shenanigan. So realistically, I would have taken it after this break right here, but taking it right there is also good because it gave me the rejection from that order block. And then that would have been such an easy trade. I don't know why I didn't take this trade, right? Or I was so focused on the buys that I missed on this trade. It is what it is, right? It happens. And then beautiful 1 to 6. It is what it is. Same thing on silver. Beautiful push to the downside 1 to 4. I was like, okay, I got to be more aware, right? Coming to the market, I was looking to sell with a higher time frame, but on lower time frame, I was like, okay, we're most likely gonna have a retracement. I could be looking to buy. And it's one of the papers that I have right here that says, trade what you see, not what you think. I'm thinking price is gonna have a retracement, but that's not what the price is telling me to do. That's not what I'm seeing on the chart. So I gotta trade what I see, not what I think. Anyways, coming to the market on Tuesday, we didn't take any trades because Tuesday was still in this weird zone of like it's not bullish, but it's not bearish, and it's just price didn't know what it wanted to do, so forget it. Oh, also on a 15 minute, let me show you. This is such a beautiful trade on a 15 minute. Realistically, with my old trading plan, I would take this trade, no problem. Come to the market, I'm looking to sell, right? I'm looking to sell. Find an order block, price pull back to the order block, give an entry signal. Easy trade. I would easily take this trade. Stop loss right above. Take profit 1, take profit 2. This is the kind of trade that I would take. But obviously that's not what happened. We got stopped immediately. I didn't take this trade, by the way. But yeah, price did the shenanigans. Then had a big push to the downside, but just not worth it. There was no point in me. And this happened at like 10. I'm not even on the chart at this time, so I could not have taken this trade anyways. If you go on gold, same thing. Just the shenanigans. The USD CAD, I wasn't really paying attention on USD CAD. I was on Nasdaq, shenanigan again. And then US 30. What was it? I was waiting for this retest to come to the downside. So I was looking to sell, but obviously price broke above, never pull back to give me an interesting deal, so no trade. Cool. Then we go on onto Wednesday. Wednesday, price finally had that big push to the upside. Oh, big push to the upside, finally broke above. So now I'm looking to buy. Same thing, just waiting. Price just didn't give any good setups till look 8:30. I'm not even on the chart, so I don't really care about it. Same thing with gold, no clear setup. It didn't pull back to this order block, pull back to this one, but at 8:30 ish, I'm not taking this trade. It just doesn't make sense to me, and I'm not even on the charts. Nasdaq, shenanigans. I don't really care. Also, I'm gonna lower this down. I'm gonna delete it. Not most likely US 30. I'm gonna delete that, and then Euro USD. I don't know. I gotta figure out which pairs I still wanna trade with this strategy. I don't want all these pairs. I'm gonna focus on some specific ones, right? Price pushes the upside coming to Thursday. Now this is where we messed up at on Thursday, and we took this on silver. So coming into the market, we're looking to buy because price is pushing the upside now, and it's most likely not a retracement to retest a certain key level. So I'm like, okay, cool. Come to the market. Wait, 5. All right, cool. We come to the market now. I'm looking for an order block to buy to the upside here because we could be selling from here, but I want an order block. I want price action to give me an order block to buy to the upside because price is just mostly pushing to the upside, as you can tell. So I'm like, okay, cool. This is what it is. That's what I'm waiting for. Waited patiently. Price eventually did give me that order block I needed on the 5 minutes. So I waited for the retest, which he gave to me. Big push to the upside. Just a beautiful trade. Took it. Stop loss below. TP was up here. Somewhere right here. But if the price was pushed to the upside, I would have extended here and just let it do its thing. And look what happened, y'all. It was doing this shenanigan right here, up in profit, break even, up, whatever. Eventually it came back, stopped me out, swept liquidity down here, which I didn't even see, and there was no clear order block, so I'm like, okay, whatever. And then complete push to the up. Just stopped me out and then proceeded to go straight in my direction. So this would have been a beautiful trade. It is what it is, right? I need to work on my entries. That's why we lost this trade. Can't put nothing. It's just me. I'm the problem, right? And then come into the market on Friday. I didn't trade on Friday. I slept in. And now I slept in. Look at this beautiful trade that presented itself. Not only that, look at it on gold. Oh my lord. I'm like, are you serious right now? When I sleep in, now all of a sudden you want to give good setup. This don't make no sense, man. It don't make no sense at all. It is what it is, right? Can't control it. But yeah, overall, it was a rough week in the markets. Anticipated some good moves. No good moves were given. I was not patient with some trades. Paid the price for it. But I understand that there's some things I need to work on. My entries I need to work on. More confluences. Confluences for the trade. And just a better analysis, better understanding of the lower time frame. How can I incorporate it within the higher time frame? And have a correct bias. So that's how I learned. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comments. And yeah, I'm gonna keep putting content out to help you guys out, so you guys can learn from my mistakes. Do not do what I be doing, right? I'm still learning. I'm still growing. I'm still developing. And I just thank God for this opportunity in the market, the opportunity to develop as a trader, and to see the market and read the market in new ways, and just being better, right? I'm trying every day, putting the work in, and it's only a matter of time for me to be God bless you. God keep you safe.